Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Behind me is the Harris Sunliner 230. It's an absolutely stunning boat. You'll see the nice white diamond exterior color. You're gonna have the protection guard on the pontoons here. As you walk back, you have a nice bimini top that's actually actuated. So it is a power tower. Moving towards the back of the boat, you're going to see a nice stainless steel tow bar. You can tow your skiers, your tubers, wakeboarders. It keeps the line above the outboard engine, which is really nice. You're going to have a 200 horsepower Mercury engine on the back. For this 23-foot boat, it's a lot of power, so you can do all those sporting activities. Now let's take a peek on the interior of the Sunliner 230. We are in the interior of the Sunliner 230, and check out this nice entertainment area here. You have 4 individual chairs. You have a nice big table here, so you can play cards, you can play games on the water if you want to. You can have snacks, sandwiches, you can set out hors d'oeuvres too. It's a really nice area that I think a lot of people will enjoy. You have stainless steel cup holders too, 4 of them. You move back behind these 2 chairs here, and they're gonna have an actual storage compartment. This lifts up, folds out, so you have storage all down in there. Folds away real easy. On the side over here, you have more storage. Everything is on supported hinges, easy to access. You have cup holders with USB charging ports too. You can see on supported hinges, that is where your batteries will go. Moving up here towards the bow of the boat, as you're moving up, you see all this space just to stand around, entertain, have fun. Moving up towards the bow, you'll see you got more space for seating. It's a nice configuration that I have actually not seen in person yet, so this is really cool to experience something like this for the first time. You're also going to see storage, supported hinges once again, stainless steel cup holders throughout the entire boat. You have more USB charging ports, so you can always stay connected to your phones. And not to mention, this is the desert interior that you see. A little bit darker. It's not going to show as much dirt, which for most people, they don't want to see a lot of dirt in their pontoon. Again, more storage on this side, on supported hinges like I've mentioned. As we move now towards the helm, you'll see you got a very luxurious captain's chair here. You have flip down armrests on each side. Moving towards the actual helm here in the dash, you got a JL head unit to control your Clarion speakers. You have a nice little tray here with a wireless speaker, a wireless charger for your phone. You can also put your keys or wallet up on that little cubby tray there. You have a nice steering wheel. You have a digital throttle too here, so it makes it really easy to shift in and out of gear. You have your traditional gauges too, which is really nice. Just super simple, easy to read. And then you also have your toggle switches to control various other options. So again, this is the Harris Sunliner 230 here at MarineMax and Rogers. If you have any questions, give us a call or come on in. We appreciate it. Have a nice rest of your day.